Hello, Internet. So, we're going to be playing with Houdini again. I'm installing the latest version because I'm a masochist that way and testing out bugs and other stuff because I'm not in a production environment. And yeah, the other day I was sort of upset that something crashed, and it is mainly my fault because I'm using a daily build opposed to the production build, which is the 532 is the production build. I'm also using Python 3, the Python 3 version, which is not 100% yet. There's still some things that aren't working. Um, so it's sort of helpful if I actually exit Houdini here because I want to install the latest version. So this is the latest version of Houdini Launcher, which Houdini Launcher is just this little program that lets you get the latest version of Houdini. It actually sort of extremely helpful. Actually, not sort of. It is extremely helpful in downloading it. It's not completely automated, but um, it allows you to get the latest version very easily. So got 555, and then we're gonna queue up to uninstall the previous version because I really don't need previous version. I do like to have the production version installed in case I actually really want to do work. Then you can get your plugins. You can install Side FX Labs here somehow. Um, and then you have HQ that you can install the client and server, and then it also lists the other deals. So I have Side FX Labs set up through GitHub, and then I have MOPS motion operators installed. That doesn't have a version set in the file, and then Best Tools is my own thing that I've been adding stuff to. So, and then licenses is the license server, which you here in a sec. It'll automatically installing Houdini. Um, so while this is going, let's jump over to VS Code here. I'm pretty sure this is recording. Doing the right thing? Yeah. Still not. Okay, so I can't stand that little pop-up. This is just my Houdini environment file that I have open here. But I have this set to do the text console, so it'll pop up two windows and one that won't interrupt here. I should probably go to okay, so okay, that's fine. Actually, let's discard that. Okay, so that was changes. I was trying to add help cards in, and then I figured out that there was a bug in the Python 3 version, which uh, shelf tools don't display the wiki stuff correctly for some reason. But HDAs, on the other hand, will display correctly. So I probably should put a bug in on that. Okay, so let's go here. Let's update all these. Mops, nothing but side effects. We got 10 changes, so let's sync up to that. Okay, let's actually see what changes we put in here. It's supposedly, here we go. Okay, so uh, something up. Extract silhouette, merge diff. Okay, it's just a diff parameter. this little add to favorites. I guess you can be favorite. I don't know what that does though. Okay, so we got the latest stuff going here. Um, oh, sweet! It failed in downloading the license server. Okay, so let's just uninstall that. Access denied. Okay, there we go. Latest. Okay, good. Da da da. Okay, let's launch here. Sweet. Okay, so switch over to my fancy thing. I've actually found that it's not helpful having it set to that. So why don't here? So about who details. Just getting an environment set of Python set because it should say Side FX Labs. Oh, because well, I don't know how to fix that on this. So I have this, or at least sort of have it set up so that I can use it on my Mac and PC, and uh, the path should be platform independent, but I guess this one is not. So if I actually change these slashes here and hit apply, it did nothing. Why? Gonna shouldn't have to do this. Should just go to the path, but go here. Cons. Sticker placer SVG. Yes. Okay, so um this will drive me crazy until I have a little icon there. Huh. Okay. Um. Where's my GitHub? I thought. Here we go. GitHub. X Labs. Help. Icon. Sticker dealy. Accept. Apply. Okay, so we got a sticker deal there. So in theory, if we put little, why it goes away? Why? Um. So. Uh. What is it? Textport. Export. So let's copy that. Why? Huh. I don't want to have an absolute path. So that's just going to icon thing, which is the icon thing, all everything that's in there in the package deal. This is shelf tools, the labs stuff. Um, not not helpful. Okay, well we'll just go with that for now, and so we'll move this over here. Export is sort of helpful. Sometimes we got performance mode, information editor, the things that I just set up. I'm still figuring out how this works. I feel learning a program, the key thing to start with is actually the UI, because the UI helps you learn where all the tools are. Because if you don't know where the tools are or how to adjust or move about within the UI, you don't know what you're doing from an interface level. And not being able to interface with it doesn't help what you're trying to do at the end of the day. Even if you understand the 3D concepts and everything, if you don't know how to create the things to create your 3D concepts and just sort of certain things, or not certain things, certain concepts within the program. So within uh, Houdini, your cursor is context sensitive. So it's sort of similar to how Softimage was, that you had different things or different keyboard commands depending on where you had the cursor. So the primary example would be if you have your cursor on the viewport and you hit P, brings up this parameter deal. So let's actually open up something. I'm going to open up something. So set a project. Let's do this Lena inverse thing that I was playing. What do you mean job doesn't exist? I thought I said it is. Oh no, it doesn't exist. Okay, so set project. Go here. Document. Wait, I thought I had it under my document. Why do I have that? Add that to our favorites. Okay, I didn't want that one. That's work. Actually, see if I can bring this in as I get distracted on doing. So, scenes. Where did I save? Give me a minute. Oh, because it's a what's it called deal. Okay, okay. So let's just set our project to. This isn't folder that I wanted. Let's go up. Let's hit add this one. Document. Oh no, it's not. So Houdini projects. Add that one. There we go. So, and I thought I had a learning one. I guess I didn't copy that one over. So let's do this muck about. That sounds pretty much what I'm doing. Okay, so let's create not a groom merge. On a geo. I'm gonna do FBX. Actually, we could probably just do a file because I don't have anything. Yeah, we're gonna. And then we're gonna go. And this is more. Let's just go with the texturing. This guy looks. Are you not basing it off of your selection? Oh, I guess because of the tail. Okay, so we got this, and then let's do shade. So does have UV, and let's actually select the texture map because I have textures. Thought it did. Oh well. Okay, well this is fine. Let's just start blasting away here. I forget what I was doing. Oh, I was showing the difference between. So select this, view that. Let's put down a skeleton. Sweet. Well, it doesn't like that because there's nothing coming from it. So okay, have an arm. And I'm gonna sneeze. Okay. So let's actually go. Visualizer. Okay, here we go. Looking for any red? No, but there's a bunch of little triangles there, which is okay. Back here and figure out how I select an island. I can go to sleep. So, oh, very deep. Okay, so class. I want to make sure that you it in what's it called, your viewport. Otherwise, I think it'll drop the selection if you do that. And here it sure there's a way to select islands. Okay, so we're gonna try it here. Does not. Not having the eye select. And and selected. It's gonna. Oh, it redoes the order. So so should I be making groups then? Need to hide. That will. So let's just. Ground plane. Um, zero you out this way. Okay, well I guess that doesn't. So let's do. Okay, so we're gonna have skeleton. Side view. Actually, so I'm not really sure how to start. So um. So not really sure what I'm doing here. I sort of have a notion of what I want to do. Is I want to be able to this guy down, and this guy sort of give him the notion that he's able to talk. So he sort of has like this detached head type. So we got our tongue. Before I get too far, I want to. So where is Wes? Because I'm Wes. Are highlighting it? Why can't I see it? It's somewhere here. Here's Mike. Weston. Yeah, here we go. Weston Reed. I'm horrible at this. As you can see, it's this guy right here. We also go. This is how old this is. So this is just the thing that he posted up in ZBrush, and then he dumped the deal over. did for retro. So this is the mesh that I'm working. Know who the artist is because I did not model this. Badass right here. I worked with carbines. And character. Great stuff that I haven't seen. It's She-Ra. Like the stylization. Back. This other one did. I don't see it, but he did this. Cool one. It's his wife. But it was this really cool, like Afro, African feel, I guess, with it. Why I'm distracted here. Back and so here we go. This dude has made some crazy cool stuff. This is the seeing the rest of this stuff. This is 3D. We thought this was paint. This is okay. So I digress. So back to trying to tongue. Probably need eyes in. So actually switch back to perspective. See what. Crap. Stuff now. I should have done that. So transform. Okay, so construction. So let's get its hair too. Or man. So what the $OS means is that it's gonna, whatever I name this, it's the name of the group. Here. So if we look at our deal, it has everything selected here. Spreadsheet. Have a group? Yeah, hair group. Okay, so, and then call this, because I can't double click with Wacom. Okay, so that's our hair group. Let's go head group. Oh wait, the eyebrow and hair, same. Eye group. And we're take a break. Stuff